My name's Gloria Ward, and this is Miss Gloria's Garden. It's a community garden, and it's located at 814 North Claiborne. I love gardening, so I spend all day out here. I usually spend 10, 12 hours out here a day. I love the 90 degrees, and I can stay out here all day long. It doesn't bother me. I want the neighborhood to come here and plant and eat good and feel good and look good because of Miss Gloria. So if there's something you like and you don't want to come and grow it, you can let me know and I'll grow it for you. I love collard greens. I have about 13 boxes out here, and most of them are full of collard greens. I've been gardening all of my life. Everywhere I've lived, I've always gardened. I started this garden here by hanging out with a young man that was gardening over on one of the other lots, and I had a garden on Villa, and they bulldozed it over and built a house. So I would come over here and hang out, and I told my friend, I just really need somewhere to garden. Let me have that vacant lot over there. And so I started gardening over here, and then the owner came and told me how much property he owned, and I said, well, can I garden on all of it? And he said yes, and so that was all I needed, so I try to grow everything I think of. And basically, the garden is a feel-good space, and so everyone is welcome to come anytime. And I try to make it a kid-friendly space, have a sandbox, and I just like you to come out and enjoy the garden, and you can come and do art, you can do music, you can grow vegetables, you can have a little yoga, you can work out, you can do whatever makes you feel good. We have movie night here every last Saturday of the month. We have a farmer's market every first of the month. And if anybody would like to be a vendor, you're welcome to come and vend for free. You can come out and sell whatever you make. I don't charge a vending fee. You can donate to the garden. Today we're having Earth Day in the garden, and we're doing an event where the community can make plants and take them home, learn about the environment, what we can do to save some of the plastic. Let's start recycling. We need to do more recycling in New Orleans, so talk to your neighbors, talk to your trash people, and see if you can set up a recycling bin, garbage can at your house. Everything I grow, I make my own seeds, so I really try to grow everything from what I have already. And everything I use in my garden, I try to do a lot of recycling. All of the painting in the garden is from different organizations that come and volunteer. So I get a lot of love out here, and I meet so many positive young people. I had a group come one year, and they built me all of my benches, and then they painted them to seal all of my blessings in. I was reading something on one of the boxes that a little girl wrote, pretend that this looks like Miss Gloria, and she made this flower, and just a whole something really nice that I really felt it, and I don't even know who wrote it. So it makes me feel good when I walk around and someone has made stick people and says, this is me and Miss Gloria. They say that our young people are lost. No, some of our young people are lost. But all the young people I meet are very focused, into themselves and trying to make a difference in the world. So we got a lot of positive young people out here. So many good things that happen in the garden. And my motto is, if you can't touch with love, don't touch at all. Okay? And you're welcome to come to Miss Gloria's garden anytime.